Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here on the channel, and today we're going to learn another part of our Bessie the Cow. We already have videos here on the channel for the head, the body, and the back leg, and in today's video we're going to learn how to make the front leg. So, let's get started. Well guys, we're going to begin with the color black, okay? We'll make a magic ring, secure our yarn, and work the first round, which will be 6 single crochets. In the magic ring, we'll have a total of 6 single crochets. We're also going to work the second round, which will be 6 increases, and we'll have a total of 12 single crochets. Let's work rounds 1 and 2. Alright everyone, the second round is done. Now in round number 3, we're going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We'll repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we'll have a total of 18 single crochets. And in round number 4, we'll do 2 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we're going to have 24 single crochets. Let's work rounds 3 and 4. I've finished the 4th round here, guys. Now we're going to work round number 5, which will be single crochet over single crochet in the back loops only. So I'm going to enter here into this back loop and work single crochet over single crochet. Just in this back loop and across the entire round so it turns upward, okay? Just like we did with the back leg, and we'll have a total of 24 single crochets in this round. When we finish this round, guys, we're going to work rounds 6 and 7, which will just be normal single crochet over single crochet. So for round number 6, we work stitch over stitch in the back loops only. And in the next rounds, we'll just work stitch over stitch for rounds 6 and 7. I'll work my rounds and come back to continue with you. Alright everyone, I've finished round number 7, see? It turned out like this. Here on the last stitch, I didn't finish it with the black color, right? I just needed to pull the yarn here and finish the last little stitch of round 7, because I'm going to finish it with the new color, which will be the brown color we're going to use. So I'm going to pull the brown color through. Here on the next one, I'm going to enter the back loop. We're going to do that different color change, okay? I'm going to do 1 slip stitch in each base stitch, only in the back loops. So I've made 1 slip stitch. I go into the next back loop and make another slip stitch. And I'm going to do this for this entire round, just like we did for the back leg. And afterward, in round number 9, this one is number 8, we're going to do 1 single crochet in each base stitch, also only in the back loops, okay? So let's work rounds 8 and 9. Round 8 is this one I'm doing, which is the slip stitch in the back loops. And the next one is the single crochet in the back loops. Here, for the color change, we're going to cut our yarn, tie it and hide it, okay? And tie those 2 little yarn ends together, what's left of the brown and the black yarn. I'll do that and come back to continue with you when I finish round number 9. Alright guys, look how it's turning out. Now let's work round number 10, which will be 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. We're going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we'll have 18 single crochets. Alright guys, now we're going to change to the color white. So here in this last stitch I made, I'm going to undo the last part here so I can finish with the new color, which will be this white color. Let's pull it through then. And finish with it. And we're going to do the same color change we did here with the brown and black, okay? We're going to work round number 11. 1 slip stitch in each back loop. So, we're going to have 18 stitches in total here, 18 stitches in total, which is 1 slip stitch in each back loop. And we keep going. And in the next one, round number 12, we're going to have 1 single crochet in each back loop as well. It's the same setup, the color change in the back loops for these 2 rounds. This one here is slip stitch, and the next one is single crochet. Let's work rounds 11 and 12. Alright everyone, round number 12 is finished. Now in round number 13 we're going to do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. So repeat this sequence 6 times. And at the end of this round, we'll have 12 single crochets in total. Let's work 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. And after we finish this round, we're going to work from round number 14 to round number 26. Just single crochet over single crochet. From round number 14 to round number 26. Remember that you should add stuffing beforehand, because it's going to get much thinner here, right? It will be difficult to add stuffing later. So, I suggest you add stuffing now that we've finished round number 13. And we're going to add stuffing, guys, up to a little bit into the white part, okay? Let's fill it here so this part stays very firm, up to the white. And for the rounds of stitch over stitch, we don't add stuffing, so the arm can stay like this, see? Here, look. There's stuffing up to about here. Then from here on there isn't any more stuffing, see? So put plenty in here and only a little bit here, okay? And in this part, don't put any at all. I'm going to do it then. I'll add the stuffing and work from round 14 to 26 and come back to continue with you. Alright guys, I've finished round number 26 here. It turned out like this. Now we're going to move the yarn to the back. See? Join the piece together, remembering that I've already added the stuffing. And I'm going to take the first stitch I had here and the last little stitch I made, like this, and I'm going to join them by making single crochets. Since we had 12 single crochets all the way around, we're going to join them with 6 single crochets, which is half, right? We're going to take 2 stitches at a time, see, and keep going, taking one from each side to join this part. I'm going to make the 6 single crochets here. Done. Now I'll cut my yarn. With a good length for sewing. About 8 to 12 inches, and pull it through. And the front leg is ready, remembering that you should make 2 of these little legs. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. A big kiss, stay with God. And until the next Bessie the Cow video, bye-bye.